Uh-oh, I see something in a Protecto pack. Man, would you look at that? Such a beautiful sight. I love the way snow looks. I don't like walking or driving in it unless I'm in the Mustang because it makes it that much fun, but it is 37. Earlier it was like 11, 16 degrees-ish. So it warmed up pretty good. But right here, guys, we have some packages. I'm actually really impatient. I don't want to wait to get home to open it. This one right here, I actually made a purchase off of eBay. I actually have like 4 or 5 eBay purchases coming. But don't worry, guys, they weren't crazy prices. This one was under $4 and I can't wait to open it. But I'm actually concerned because the size of this is very small and tight. Hopefully it's not damaged. But then right here, guys, this one's going to be a super cool opening. This is from Shane over at Super JDM Diecast. So a huge shout out to you. Thanks for sending this my way. But let's go ahead and open up the eBay purchase and see what we got. Guys, I'm actually quite nervous. Oh, and it's stuffed with paper. I really hope that this thing is not in rough shape. But is it just smashed inside? We shall see. Oh no, it wasn't. It fit perfectly. Look at this, guys. Oh wow, this is actually in much better shape than I was envisioning. Got the Treasure Hunt Series Solaire CX4. Look at this beauty. Oh man, this is nice. So yeah, it was under $4. It's number 9 of 12 cars. It's collector number 757. Check that out. Talk about nice. You have the nice red, white, and blue deco, of course, over the white enamel, and you have the white lace wheels all the way around with the blue base. That is nice. So I definitely got to put this in a protective pack since it is a treasure hunt from the earlier cards. But oh man, thank God that thing was not just smashed in there, because if you really look at the size, guys, you really don't understand that something like that would fit in here. I was really concerned about that. Guys, so let's go ahead and open up the one Shane sent. I already know the 962 premium set is in here and I cannot wait, guys. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, guys, let's go ahead and open this one up. All right, looks like we got a letter. Jason, the boys, and I just wanted to send you a little housewarming gift for the new place. We hope you're settling in just in time to move again. Hopefully the next house is permanent one and MHD headquarters can open up again. Shane, Ty, and Cade. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, we cannot wait to finally get settled in. We're still living out of totes, but we are one person away from getting offered a house. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we get a call this week. But check this out, guys. Let's see what my boy sent. So here we go. Ooh, there we go. First one up, we got a short card Liberty Walk R35. Nice. My man hooking it up with the shorties. Ooh, and there we go. We got the white Golf of the 2018 Mustang GT on a short card. Nice. Now I have the blue one. I believe I have the blue one on a short card. So it's awesome that I'll have the baby blue on a long and short, and now I'll have the white on a long and short card. So awesome, man. Look at that. Gotta love the shorties. Ooh, and check this out. What do we got right here? This is an interesting little piece. Look at that. Now that is kind of cool. I don't know what this is, but look at it. It's got the Hot Wheels flame on there. You guys already know I'm a sucker for that one. It's a 2017 license. I don't know, but that's kind of cool. You guys know I do have a small collection of tiny casts, so there's another one to add. Nice. All right. Oh, we got, man, you sent a lot of stuff, man. I greatly appreciate you. Ooh, and there we go. We got the 71 Plymouth GTX from the Flying Customs. Nice. Now I was able to get this one, but it's out of the new Flying Customs 10 pack. This was one I just didn't have. I don't think I do have this one on a single card. But I love this color scheme. The red enamel with the blue and yellow hockey stripes on the side. a very clean and cool casting. Check that out. Nice. Next up, ooh, looks like we got a collector card. It's number 12 out of 2000. Ooh, there we go. The old 442. Oh man, I don't know if you noticed, but when we went to the Traders Market, this, I want to say it was this exact deco was in that dump bin of loose castings, and it was completely messed up. Maybe it was just coincidence, but I'm pretty sure it was this one. And check this out, guys. Awesome. So it is out of the CN3D series. You have the really cool Olds Tampo with the 442 in yellow. It looks like it's split with the black lower half and the metallic green. Very nice. Let's go ahead and put some light on it. That way you guys can see. Ooh, there we go. Look at that flake. Now that is nice. That is super nice. Looks like we got some more car. Uh-oh, I see something in a Protecto pack. What is it? No way! Dude! Look at that! The 67 Custom Mustang Treasure Hunt out of 2012's release. Oh man. I want to say I do not have this, but check this out, guys. Look at this deco. That is wicked. Oh man, you got the black PR5s with the chrome ring. You do have the C stripes right there in silver with a little blue pinstripe. Nice little touch there. And of course you have the TH right there in bold silver metallic. Nice, man. Look at that. Oh dude, that is sweet, man. Oh, that is sweet. Oh, you are freaking awesome. All right, let's go ahead and set this bad boy right next to me. All right, oh man, that's, jeez, dude. That is nice. That is nice. All right, let's see. And here we go, guys. Oh, I've been waiting for this. I have been waiting for this. Look at that. A Porsche 962 2-pack premium for the Car Culture series. Look at that livery. That Advan just looks wicked with the Valvoline. Oh yeah, that one's my favorite deco. That is by far the coolest out of the two. You have this one over here with the white aero discs, and this one has the white 6-spoke mags and the gold mags in the back. I think that setup is much better than this one. Looks like that one has some type of aero disc type wheels or dished wheels in the back. The Advan's cool, but definitely like the Porsche 962 in this Valvoline livery. God, that is nice. So a huge shout out to Shane and Kingnut because they helped me complete this full set. And of course, Shane also sent me the BRE Datsun 2-pack in our last package, and my man hooked it up. I have not been able to find any of these in Target. Of course, we only have one Target, but I have not been able to get my hands on it. And it's good to know people that are looking out for you and doing all this stuff. So that is freaking awesome. Oh, I am stoked. Oh wait, there's more. Ooh, there we go. Now that's awesome because I have this carded and I have one that's kind of rusty, but look at this. It's the final run, the Mustang convertible. I think it's the 96. Yep, 96 Mustang GT. This beautiful silver metallic. Check out the tampos on the taillights. Of course, you have the final run deco, the silver headlight tampos. Beautiful casting, man. It does look good out of the package, and it's all metal. It's sad that they'll never make that casting ever again. We have another Mustang sitting in here. Oh yeah, we got the RTR Zamac. Look at that. Now that looks good out of the package. Now this is another one I don't have loose. I have the black one loose. I think I have like 2 or 3 black ones loose. Oh man, look at that. That is a beauty. That is definitely going to be my pocket whip for when I'm out at work. So just double check. All right, that is awesome. That is everything in there. Don't want to throw my knife away. check this out, guys. My man threw in a treasure hunt 67 Mustang. That is such a wicked casting, man. That is awesome. Thank you so much for that. And then of course the Porsche 962 premium set, the 2 loose castings. We'll go ahead and put these together because I don't want them to get separated. And then check this out, guys. The old 442 in this beautiful metallic green. That looks really good. Got the Flying Custom 71 Plymouth GTX. Another awesome casting. And right here, guys, the 2 shorties, the R35 and the white Golf livery 2018. Sweet, man. And then here we go. The micro car. It kind of looks like it is a Mustang just because of the louvers right there on the back window. But of course, it's just a fantasy casting. But it is a cool little car. Check that out. Of course, you have the old Hot Wheels race team flame on there. A lot of people thought that that was the treasure hunt, but before it was the treasure hunt logo, it was actually the Hot Wheels race team flame. So there we go. Little fun fact right there. So awesome freaking package. And then this purchase from eBay for under $4. Cannot go wrong with the Stars and Stripes Solaire CX4 treasure hunt. Nice. God, that card is in such great condition. Definitely gonna leave that dude a good review. So there we go, guys. Awesome mail call. Like I mentioned, I have like 4 or 5 more eBay cars coming that I purchased for super cheap, not scalper prices or anything like that, from actual collectors with a good reputation. So I'm actually excited to show you guys what I purchased. I've gone down that rabbit hole of buying stuff that I've been trying to get my hands on, and eBay seems to be the only one to find these older castings. On that note, guys, that is the one thing I'm actually stoked. I know it's not fun going to the stores and seeing empty pegs, but at the same time, it got me back into the roots of collecting variations and completing a cast. So with that, guys, I definitely appreciate Shane, Ty, and Cade for this package. Super JDM Diecast, if you haven't checked them out, go support them. I'll have their link down below. And of course, as always, if you liked the video, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts on what we got today in this package and this eBay buy. And yeah, that is all I got. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.